Hello dear students, good morning to everyone. Welcome to your English grammar class. Today I am going to start the fourth chapter. The topic is Nouns, Gender. So open your book at page number 25. Let's get started. Look at the book and follow the lines. Complete the table with the names of the numbers of your family. So in right hand side column B, in the left hand side column A. In column A you have to write your mother's name, sister's, aunt's name and grandmother's name. Okay. In the right hand side, column B, you write your father's name, brother's name, uncle's name and grandfather's name. So you have to write yourself. Okay. Did you notice that all the words in column A refer to female members of a family, while the words in column B refer to male members of a family? So in one side you have to write the male members of your family, in the other side you have to write the names of the female members of your family. Mother, sister, aunt, grandmother, all are female, and in the other side father, brother, uncle, grandfather, all are male male members of your family. So now there are four different kinds of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Now let's see the definitions. First, masculine gender. Nouns that refer to humans or animals that are male are of the masculine gender. All humans or animals that belong to the male category, they are called masculine gender. Examples: king, host, lion, all are masculine gender since they are male. Next, nouns that refer to humans or animals that are female are of the feminine gender. Those who are female, they are called feminine gender. Example: queen, hostess, lioness. Okay. You have just now seen the king is masculine gender, so queen is feminine gender. Okay. Similarly, host is masculine gender and the hostess, it is feminine gender. Lion, masculine gender and lioness is feminine gender. Next, nouns that can refer to both a male and a female are of a common gender. There are some words that represent or that refer to both male and female. They are called common gender. Let's see. Doctor. Doctors, this particular word can be used for both male and female. Doctor, that's why it is common gender. Teacher, so it is used for male and female, that's why it is common gender. Baby, so baby is also common gender. Now next, nouns that refer to non-living things or a collection of living things. Collective nouns are of the neuter gender. So that refers to non-living things, things that are considered as non-living, and a collection of living things, collective nouns, they are called the neuter gender. Examples: pen, it is non-living thing, so it is neuter gender. School, so it is also non-living thing, that's why it is a neuter gender. And army, army here is a collective noun, so This is also a neuter gender. Now turn the page. Forming the feminine gender nouns. So you have to follow certain rules, and you need to know, you should know how we can change, I mean masculine to feminine or from feminine to masculine. Let's see. A noun is masculine gender. A noun in masculine gender can be changed to its feminine form by number 1 rule is what? Adding es to the noun in masculine gender. So we have to add es. Certain words are there. When it is in masculine gender, you simply add ess, and by adding these ess you can change that masculine form into feminine form. Let's see some examples. Count. You add count, ess, then it is countess. See, it has become feminine. Giant. Masculine. You add ess, giantess. It becomes feminine. Hair. You just add ess, it becomes hairies. Lion. You just add ess, lioness, it becomes feminine. So priest is a masculine word, masculine noun. So you just add ess, it becomes priestess, it is feminine. Okay. So now let's see the grammar bites. Ships and countries are denoted using the feminine gender. So ships, another is countries. So India is our motherland. India is, since it is country, it is considered as feminine gender. So in this sentence you see, India is our motherland. Her sons and daughters bravely fight for her. Here for means for India, motherland. INS Virat was decommissioned. She was towed out of Kochi. So here is also a ship, the name of a ship. So see, it is considered as feminine gender. Nature is also commonly called Mother Nature. Very often we say Mother Earth, Mother Nature, and refer to using female pronouns. So when we speak about the earth or speak about the nature, then we refer to it as female. So you use the female pronouns her, right? Now look at the next line. In some cases, the spelling has to be changed. So already we have got that by adding ess to the noun in masculine gender, we can change into feminine, right? Next, in some cases, what happens? The spelling has to be changed slightly when forming the feminine gender by adding ess. Okay. So how let's see. Masculine, actor. The word actor is masculine gender. So when you change this noun into feminine gender, what will you do? Actress. You see ess is there, but we have to change the spelling slightly. Actor, actress. So duke, duchess. A little change. Emperor, empress. So tiger, tigress. Master, mistress. So the spelling has to be changed slightly when forming the feminine gender by adding ess. So number 2 rules. Using an entirely different word. Number 2 rule is that by using an entirely different word. So already we have got by adding ess and by slightly changing the spelling in the first rule. In the second one, by entirely different word we have to use. So let's see. Boy. Boy is a masculine. Then girl, it is a feminine gender. Horse, masculine. Mare is a feminine gender. Gander is masculine. Geese is feminine. Nephew is masculine and niece is feminine. So watch out. The masculine gender is used for the country of Germany. So this is something different and we need to remember. Number 3 rule. Changing part of a compound word. So we have already got what is compound word. We have already learned what is compound word, right? So here we are getting the same thing once again. Changing a part of a compound word while keeping the other part unchanged. So what to do? A part only we have to change. See, if it is a compound word, 2 or more words are there. By joining 2 or more words, if we get particular noun or particular word, then what we need to do, we have to change a part of the compound word, not the complete word. So let's see, masculine is grandfather, so feminine is grandmother. Simply we have dropped father, instead we are writing mother. So that way we can make a feminine form of the noun. Landlord, landlady. He goat, she goat. Peacock, peahen. So sometimes before or sometimes later we are changing the a part of the compound word. These are the rules, and let's see the exercises. Exercise A. Match the nouns of masculine gender